This is either going to be a cautionary tale or a success story. And the good news for you is you're going to win regardless. Because if I fail miserably, you're not going to do what I do. I hope. I really hope you do the opposite. If you do the same thing, I don't want to say you deserve it, but I'm sorry. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. This YouTube channel is going to benefit you regardless of how my journey turns out, because you can either learn from the mistakes I make and make sure you don't do them, or you can see what I do that works and apply that to your situation. So I'm Jamesia, also known as Mimi to anyone who knows me, and I'm creating this channel to be a safe space for support, encouragement, and inspiration, especially for women who have travel dreams that they want to achieve. Because I know that we get a lot of negative feedback. People tell us why it's a bad idea, and even we tell ourselves sometimes why we shouldn't do it. But this channel is for that encouragement to go ahead and do it anyway. So I personally am an aspiring digital nomad. I am currently still employed. It's December 2023. As of June 2024, I'll be unemployed. I don't know who made up that term, but I heard it and I loved it, so I'm using it here. Anyway, so this channel is going to be everything from the beginning to the middle and not the end. My journey from doing the planning to prepare for leaving the United States and traveling abroad for an extensive period of time, whether that's financially, emotionally, mentally, all of that I will be covering. In addition, I'll be showing how I'm sustaining myself while I'm traveling, because I do plan for this to be a long-term thing. My personal travel style is I would like to stay in each place for 3 to 6 months to really immerse myself and get the full experience of being in that place. So if that interests you, I'd say you're in the right place. In the future, I would also love to do interviews and have guests on who can speak to us about their travel experiences, so that we can maybe take some lessons from them and see what ways are working for them as far as how they're funding their travels, whether that's through different avenues like house sitting or homestays or teaching English, whatever it is. So I just want this channel to be a source of information and inspiration. With that said, thank you for coming. I just want to keep this brief to set the tone for what this channel will be like, and I will pledge that I will have a video every week. I'm committing to it. It's official because I just said it on camera. I'm not going to edit it out because I don't know how to edit. That's beside the point. Anyway, thank you. If you've made it this far in the video, that means you might like me a little bit. And if you do, go ahead and drop me a like. Subscribe if you'd like to come along and see how this turns out. I'm very much open to suggestions, so if you have any video ideas, if there are some things you're working through, struggling with, and you want me to look into it, make a video for you, if it's something I have to research, I will do my research and put the sources in the description for you. So yeah, this channel is for all of us. If y'all have any concerns, let's get them addressed so we can get out there and live our slow travel, digital nomad dreams, okay? Thanks, y'all.